Hello everyone, welcome back to Angel's Connection channel. Learn to read and speak English. My village. Let us start. I am Jagmal. I live in a village called Chanur. In my village there are many huts and some puko houses too. There are mango, neem and peepal trees in the village. Outside the village are the farms and the fields. Farmers work with plows and tractors. The village has a school. There are 4 teachers in my school. They do not live in our village but come from the town nearby. There is a well in the village. There is also pond. Cows, bulls, donkeys, buffaloes, horses, dogs and goats drink water from the pond. They sometimes have a bath in it. You can also see many cats in the lanes. They like to drink milk and chase mice. Some people have TV sets and mobile phones too. I like watching TV in the village hall. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you think it's useful. Thank you.